Welcome to this stimulating video where we talk about artificial intelligence's emergence and possible effects on the corporate world, similar to the innovation cycle of a century ago when internal combustion engines and the telephone transformed society. The world is about to undergo a monumental change. Culture in this video, Satch and Dave Dougal, the creator of Builder, I and Brett Winston, the chief futurist of ARK Investment Management, speak as we explore the potential and growth areas of AA. They reveal how Tesla's business model is positioned to benefit from the field in a way that other major tech companies might not be able to. Please join us as we explore this fascinating field and consider how AI could completely transform the way that businesses operate. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up first. With artificial intelligence poised to emerge, the world is poised for a monumental historical shift akin to the innovation cycle of a century ago. Introduction of internal combustion engines and electrification to the telephone market simultaneously brought about unparalleled transformation. There are many things to consider, but Tesla stands to gain from this adjustment. The chief futurist at ARK Investment Management, Brett Winston, and the founder of Builder. Hi, Satch and Dave Dougal join the conversation to discuss the potential growth areas of artificial intelligence. It is certain that trillions of dollars will be spent on AI software eventually over the course of the business cycle. It's interesting to note that the big tech companies of today may not be the best place to play in the A space due to their competitive swim lanes and now competing with each other in this emerging technology area by endangering their profitability. Additionally, despite the enormous opportunity, these currently very large companies may be small in comparison to the ultimate opportunity. This implies that if they take the initiative to adapt, they could grow significantly larger. Someone else might gobble them up in the process. After seeing how AI was developing, Brett Winston, who had some Alphabet stock, realized that Google might be in trouble. However, he didn't realize it would happen so quickly, so he sold the stock, money in the SP 500, and then moved to Tesla. According to Brett, some of the most interesting places to invest are businesses that have assets that can be used and deployed with AI software. Given the rate at which AI is developing, Tesla is better positioned to profit financially from it than some other underlying AI-focused tech companies that are starting to compete with one another. The conversation then shifts to full self-driving and the issues Google is facing in this space. For example, Tesla has the largest deployed fleet of robots in the world. If they can convert the cars they sell into robot taxis, this will transform their economic model. The entire Google self-driving team, Waymo, faces a dilemma in that they can profit from complete self-driving technology, but not from reaching it. In Tesla's situation, however, they are so close to achieving full self-driving technology that they will sell a lot more FS upgrades. The rate was over 40 and even as high as 50 when there was widespread optimism about fully autonomous vehicles. Let me tell you, my friend, why Tesla is the best. You see, they have so many backup plans that even in the unlikely event that their primary plan doesn't go as planned, they have plenty of options to make it work in the long run. The Sierra Dougal, on the other hand, has had its full self-driving project launch for a long time now, but they haven't made any money from it. They're losing money, but with Tesla, over 10% of their customers upgrade to full self-driving, which goes straight into their bottom line. So, Gene, let me ask you, are your customers making AI a priority when it comes to spending, and what do you see happening if there's a slowdown? Well, let me tell you, the world is moving faster than ever before the demand for developers is over 500 million. But the worldwide supply is only around 50 million. This is driven by every echelon of the business pyramid, from small businesses to enterprises, even almost 100 million new companies being started every year. So there's no slowdown in sight. What we're seeing now is a change in the user interface. In the past, we gave people tools and they struggle to use them. But now with the conversation and speech interfaces, people feel more comfortable, and it gets much richer. Platforms like ours are taking away the technical expertise needed to be in the digital game, which means small businesses will start using more and more AI and recommendation systems. These technologies are not new. They have been around for a while, but they're now becoming more widely used. About 15 years ago, I was building my first website, and knowing a little HTML helped me build websites better. However, nowadays, there are website builders that allow you to drag and drop elements onto the page and make it work. This has made website building much easier and more accessible for everyone. This is similar to a long-term Tesla bear thesis. People often get scared when they hear the term artificial intelligence, but it's not as scary as it sounds. Because of how much the world has changed, AI is becoming more widely used and user-friendly. Its interface is becoming more conversational and easy to use, so people are starting to use it more. Therefore, the main takeaway from this is that AI is a powerful technology, but it's still relatively new and its implications are still unknown. The worries about AI taking over jobs are unfounded, since it will initially make workers more efficient, and there's a huge imbalance between supply and demand in many industries. It's like a young child with the capacity to accomplish amazing things, but it hasn't developed the value system yet. AI is not a one-size-fits-all answer, so it won't be replacing jobs in the mass market anytime soon. However, for creative individuals, AI is fantastic since it frees them up from repetitive work, and for businesses, it lowers expenses and boosts productivity. And while it's early, there's a lot of potential here for investors, particularly for those who can identify businesses that are already using AI to gain a competitive edge. The impact of AI on the labor market is still unknown. Some jobs may become more productive, while others may become obsolete. If you're among the top 10 in your industry and use AI, you'll probably become more productive and keep your job, possibly even earning more money. But if you're nearing retirement, it might be wise to start considering your options. An additional domain in which AI is making waves on music industry computer-generated songs that sound almost identical to human creative ones are now reality. This technology could transform the way artists create music and perform live. On the other hand, it's early days and we don't fully understand how this will play out. On the other hand, the companies that are already using AI to their advantage are pulling ahead of their competition. For investors, this means looking for companies that are agile, innovative, and have distributed assets that can push software into Tesla is a great example of a company that's acting like a startup and could benefit from many more opportunities in the future. The ultimate opportunity for companies that embrace AI could be transformative, but it's important to proceed with caution and stay informed about the latest developments in the field. It's an exciting time to be in business because everything is changing rapidly. We're experiencing a monumental historical turnover that's comparable to the innovation cycle of a century ago. Tesla is a part of this massive transformation. And it's not just about Aeon, but every technology is accelerated. Every company will have to become a technology company to survive and compete. Every person will become a coder using AI systems. This transformation will change the economy as we know it. It may feel like we're at an inflection point right now, but in 3 years, we'll look back and realize that this was just the beginning. The cost to train AI systems is following an exponential curve. And it's exciting to see how AI will continue to transform the business landscape. Well, that pretty much sums up everything we have to say in this video. If you like it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.